In this video, the Bitcoin price is finally making a move. But the question is the movement sustainable? And guys, we need to also take a quick look with SLP as right now we are seeing this new resistance forming. What will happen next? Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So yeah, let's give you a quick update sa ating Bitcoin price action. So quick recap sa ating previous analysis. So we were actually following this falling wedge. And traditionally, a falling wedge is a bullish pattern. So it usually breaks to the upside, and ang traditional target nito is actually the top of the wedge, which is this area that is around the 66.7k, or you can say na that's around the 67k. Pero yeah, right now we saw this breakout. Meron tayo sigurong buy volume. You can say na this is a buy volume. Ako siguro i-consider ko siyang buy volume, so that's why I added right now a long position dito. But the question is the movement sustainable? So right now you can see now we saw that breakout. And you can see dito na ating movement, nagkaroon tayo ng decline. Kasi if you're going to look at this in the early time frame, you can say na we actually saw forming a bearish divergence, indicating na that is a bearish trend reversal for the very short term. So, nagkaroon tayo ng trend reversal for the short term. And traditionally, ang usual target ng bearish divergence ay yung 50 moving average. And right now, na-meet na natin siya. So, that could indicate na it's either na tapos na yung bearish divergence, so possible na na-meet na natin yung target. But yeah, that is for the very short term. Tayo ang sinusunod natin dito is the bigger time frame, which is the 4-hour time frame. So, impossible na na-meet niya na yun. And you can see na the 50 moving average is also acting as a support dito for the 4-hour time frame, indicating na it's possible na pwede tayo magkaroon ng bounce dyan. So, I think ang kailangan mangyari dito is kailangan natin magkaroon ng buy volume. So, if magkaroon tayo ng buy volume dito sa movement na yan, sa bounce na yan, then I think pwede tayo mag-continue to the upside. So, right now natin tinitingnan dito. So, if wala tayong makitang buy volume in the coming days, especially this end of the month sa November 1 and October 31, then yeah, yun yung ating kailangan i-worry, which is if walang buy volume, possible na mag-consolidate tayo dito further. Pero yun nga, if may buy volume, then possible na umakit tayo sa Bitcoin price. Now when it comes to target, ano ba yung mga targets natin? So ang ating target is actually, first things first, the 63.7k, kasi yun yung ating first target dito. So that could be a good take profit area, partial take profit. So ako guys, mag 20% take profit ako at that area. And then, yeah, ating final take profit area, or somewhat pwede ka mag-take profit dyan, is actually the 66.7k, which is the technical target, itong falling wedge. So right now, yun yung aking mini-monitor. And as of now, nag-open ako ng panibago nilang position dito sa Phoenix. So nakita mo, kaka-open ko pa lang. So yeah, it's actually a $1,200 position size. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, you can trade it with Phoenix and Bingbon. So kay Bingbon, naka-open din ako ng long position. You can actually see dito sa aking position dito. Meron din ako kaka-open lang. So you can see na it's actually 0.48% down. Kasi yun nga, kaka-open pa lang. And yung aking play dito, nag-open ako ng long position and naglagay ako ng stop loss at the point of breakout. So yeah, right now, yun yung aking position dito for the Bitcoin price. And yes guys, if you want to claim bonus dito sa ating mga trading platforms like Phoenix and Bingbon, you can actually use my sign-up link that you can find in the description down below. Now, let's give you a quick update sa Bitcoin dominance. You can see na we are still pretty much moving sideways dito, indicating na kung ano yung movement ni Bitcoin, yun more likely galaw ng altcoins. And as usual, if mag-breakdown to the downside, altcoin season, and pagpataas, Bitcoin season. And right now, we are still moving sideways, indicating na kung ano yung galaw ng Bitcoin, pa din galaw ng altcoin. So, pretty much neck to neck lahat ngayon ng ating market. So, nothing to worry ngayon for the both market. So, good thing siya. And with that being said, let's give you an update sa mga altcoins natin like Ethereum. So, Ethereum, right now, we are still testing this. Ito nga, yung ating previous all-time high. So, right now, nagkaroon tayo ng bagong all-time high kay Ethereum. Ang problem, wala tayong significant buy volume to break that area. So, right now, possible na mag-consolidate pa. And yun nga, guys, yung aking play dito, if mag-breakout to the upside, ito, if magkaroon tayo ng breakout dyan, if may buy volume, doon ako maglalagay ng panibagong buying orders and long position. So, right now, hindi tayo nagbe-break with buy volume. So, yeah, right now, hodl lang ako sa aking current spot wallet positions. And yeah, so far, monitor pa din to in the next coming days. And you can see, ang ating next target pa din for Ethereum is actually the $6,000 if ma-break natin yung all-time high. And yeah, that is for Ethereum. Now, let's give you an update for Axie Infinity. So, for Axie Infinity, you can see na we are currently breaking out from this consolidation area. So, you can see na we are starting to see a buy volume. Pero, ang problem ko lang dyan, kung gano'ng karami ating buy volume, gano'n din karami ating sell volume. So, medyo nag-worry ako dito sa movement na yan. But still, ang ating technical target for Axie Infinity is the $170. So, ito siguro hindi ko to masyado ilalong. So, gawin ko lang dito yung aking spot wallet na position. Hahayaan ko lang siya gumalaw. So, diba, sabi ko sa inyo guys, meron akong hodl position sa spot wallet kay Axie Infinity. So, yeah, hayaan ko lang yung gumalaw. And yet, the take profit area could be the $170 dito sa ating Axie Infinity price action. And last but not least, let's give you an update sa SLP kasi tagal na din natin siya hindi nabigyan ng update. And nakita ko actually sa ating chart, meron tayo nag-form ng bagong resistance which is the 50-day moving average. So, di ba previously, yung ating tinitingnan is the 20-day moving average. And if ma-break natin siya, doon tayo makita ng movement to the upside, especially if you're going to look at this in the 4-hour time frame, yung ating 100 moving average yung tinitingnan. So, right now, you can see na nagiging irrelevant na siya kasi I think we are pretty much consolidating na dito with the 100 moving average. So, ano ba yung titingnan natin dito na bagong indicator? So, yung titingnan natin ngayon is the 50-day moving average. And look at that, guys. Right now, we are currently getting a lot of resistance at the 50-day moving average. So, ayan no, we were resisted once, twice, and thrice. So, indicating yung ating last and final resistance dito na kailangan niya i-break is the 50-day moving average. So, if ma-break natin yan, then I think makita tayo ng pump for SLP. Kasi, diba, remember, on the previous analysis natin, if ma-break natin yung 20-day moving average, makita tayo ng pump. So, nakita natin yung pump. And right now, ang kailangan natin ngayon ma-break, and if ma-break natin tong 50-day moving average, then that would be a much bigger pump for SLP. So right now, yung ating mina-monitor, you can see na SLP, yung ating RSI is not overbought nor oversold. So it's either na pwede pa mag-consolidate, and possible na mag-pump siya kasi yun nga, hindi tayo overbought. And it's not actually a good buying or selling opportunity right now. As you can see sa ating RSI, it's not overbought nor oversold. Pero if you want to swing trade SLP, ang pwede mong gawin dyan is actually by looking at the RSI. So, what you can do is you can buy whenever SLP is below the 30 threshold sa RSI and sell whenever it is above the 70, buy when it is below the 30, sell when it is above the 70 threshold. So, RSI pa lang, sapat na, pwede mo siyang paglaruan. Kita nyo guys, tingnan nyo, confluent yung RSI dito. So, you can see if oversold, you can enter a long position dyan and then sell ka dyan sa 70 threshold. Same goes here. So, makita nyo, di ba may pattern tayo dun sa ating mga RSI. So, still swing tradable pa din yung ating SLP price action. And guys, if you want to trade different NFT tokens, sa MEXC ka lang pwede actually mag-leverage trade ng SLP. So, yeah, if you want to leverage trade SLP, then I highly suggest to use MEXC. And if you want to claim bonus dito sa ating MEXC, you can actually use my sign-up link na you can find in the description down below. So, yun muna update natin for today, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video and bye-bye for now.